Hello friends, are you really tired of purchasing the gifts for your loved ones on their special occasion? Gone are the days where you need to actually break your head. Oh, what gift I should purchase for my friend's birthday party? Whether she will like this gift or not, etc. etc. Well, there is a solution to this problem, where you need not to worry about purchasing the gift. Simply you can gift money online using gift card. Yes, I'm talking about Amazon gift card. It's easy to use, hassle-free, instant and perfect gift for every occasion to present your loved ones. I have shared complete details in this video, like how to purchase, redeem, its pros, cons, etc. Please make sure you watch this video till the end. There are basically 4 types of gift cards: Amazon Pay e-gift card, brand gift card, physical gift card, anytime gift card. So specifically I am going to talk about Amazon Pay e-gift card. If you like to know about other gift cards, please let me know. I will make a detailed video on that too. How to purchase Amazon Pay gift card? First of all, you should have an account on Amazon. Open the app, under menu, click on Amazon Pay icon. Click on gift cards, select e-gift card and choose the occasion. Select the gift card of the desired value, complete the payment, and that's it, you have placed the order. You can make a purchase using different payment methods like debit card, credit card, net banking and UPI. However, you cannot purchase Amazon gift card using these methods: existing Amazon Pay balance, credit card or debit card issued outside of India. You cannot buy a gift card using another gift card, a corporate credit card, EMI and pay on delivery, because you can purchase the gift card only through online. Now comes how can you send the gift card to your loved ones. Once you purchase the gift card, you will get an option, share this gift card. Click on it and it will allow you to share via email or any other messaging platform available on phone, tablet or PC. And now this is important. How to redeem the gift card to your Amazon Pay account. There are 2 modes to add your gift card to your account: email and shared via link. The gift card ordered through email or shared via link will be delivered to you. You just need to click Add to my account button. Both the times you need to log in into Amazon account and your gift card funds will be added automatically to it. Please note, the gift card code is 14 characters long, containing letters and numbers. Here, where you can use this amount, you can use this gift card amount to shop on Amazon, Amazon partner apps or websites. You can also use it to pay bills and recharges on Amazon. To use a gift card amount for purchase, select the Amazon Pay balance on your payment method during checkout. You can buy maximum of 5 gift cards or denomination worth Rs 10,000 in a single order. You can buy a gift card minimum of Rs 10 to maximum of Rs 10,000. And yes, there is a validity to use a gift card. E-gift card has a validity of 12 months from the date of delivery. Scheduled email Amazon Pay gift card has a validity of 15 months from the date of delivery. There are few constraints in using the Amazon gift card. First of all, you cannot transfer the gift card money in your bank account. Secondly, international customers are not eligible to use the gift card. Any gift card purchased from marketplaces besides India cannot be added in the Indian account. Gift cards once purchased cannot be cancelled or returned. On the whole, Amazon gift cards are a versatile and convenient option for both personal use and gifting purpose. Hope you got some valuable information from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and kindly share and subscribe the video. I will meet you soon in another one, presented by Archana. Until then, see ya all.